Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we're going to show you how to delete all the videos you've liked on YouTube. If you're looking to clean up your liked videos list, this tutorial will walk you through the whole process. Let's get started. Once the YouTube app is open, you'll be on the main feed. Next, tap on your account icon in the bottom right corner. From there, go to the gear icon in the top right. In the menu that appears, select Manage All History. You'll be taken to a new screen. Now, go to the Interactions tab. Here, choose the first option, Video Likes and Dislikes. This is where you'll see all the videos you've liked. To delete them all, tap the three dots at the top and select Delete All. A pop-up will appear asking for confirmation. Simply press Delete, and that's it. All your liked videos will be removed from your history.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.